Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice.
What's up, guys? So I'm here with MsCici natural hair wig. It's the first time I'm trying out a wig from this company. So it says trust MsCicihair.com. This is more outstanding, and that's on both sides of the box. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Got the wig, okay, which we'll get into in a few, and then we got a few, goodies in the box. Gosh, it looks so nice and wispy. It's very full. It's, more on the dramatic side, but I love the wispiness, like the crisscross action going on, and it's branded MsCici. I got a rat tail comb, edge brush comb and spatula, elastic band, for your hairline. I got 2 wig caps, and I got some sample laces here, because for today's wig, right, we're gonna be trying out the new film lace that MsCici here has, and I'm super excited for this because you guys know I'm always here for the upgraded laces. So this is the wig, so let me show you guys what we're working with. So this is the wig that we have today. It's a gorgeous curly bob. So as I said, this is a new film lace wig. It's a 13x6 lace front wig already. I can tell this install is going to be absolutely gorgeous. The texture is water wave, and it's 12 inches long. It's 180% in density. It does feel very full, and the hair is extremely soft. So as it relates to the lace, this is a pre-plucked and pre-bleached wig. That's how the hairline looks. You see how gorgeous that is? So right off the bat, this is a ready to wear wig, and it is definitely beginners friendly. So it looks so good. You see that? It's so nicely pre-plucked. They took their time on it. I'm gonna show you this picture right here. Their lace is arc shaped, so has that nice curve, and it can fit the forehead like what you're seeing in the picture. So you see the difference with like a regular hairline versus what MsCici has presented today. So that makes everything look even more realistic. And so now I'm gonna show you the difference with the laces once more to kind of just refresh you guys' memory. So I'm just gonna got to be down these laces on my hand, and I'm gonna show you what I have here. Is a fake HD lace. Like, there's a lot of fake HD laces going around. Some of them really aren't real. So, it's good to be able to tell the difference. I have a fake HD lace, and I have a transparent lace here. And I'm going to take a piece of this film lace, and I'm going to, got to be all of them on the back of my hand and show you guys the difference. I'm all done with got to being the 3 different laces on my hand. Now, let's start with the fake HD lace. This is the fake HD lace. It still has a lot of cast, as you can see, right? Definitely not melted melted as much as we like. Transparent lace is a little better, but with a little bit more work it will melt down better. Maybe add a little bit of you definitely need to work on the transparent lace a little bit more for it to melt down better. This is the new film HD lace that I have here on this wig today. I cut a piece of the lace off. Guys, this is so undetectable. It's so undetectable. So that right there is a goal. Like, it looks so good. It looks very timeless, very natural. Like, you cannot tell that it's a wig that you're wearing, right? So I love that. That is amazing. I'm gonna just proceed now to installing this gorgeous wig, and I won't be doing anything further to it because, as I said, this is a ready to wear wig, pre-bleached, pre-plucked. Everything looks good. Let me show you the inside. I don't think I got a chance to show you guys the inside, but it is everything is already done for you. So it is so convenient. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, extra elastic band inside the cap. It's a lot of security. So yeah, it looks really good. So let's go ahead and jump into installation.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Fill with devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice.
Guys, I just want you to take a moment to soak in this piece of lace that I fully melted down. Like, it is so natural looking, like no baby hairs needed. No baby hairs needed. This is a ready to wear wig. This is exactly how it came. It's a 10. Highly recommend. MsCici are going with themselves. I'm just gonna continue to melt the rest of it and then I'm gonna proceed. I'll just fast forward through that portion. This is how we're looking. I'm not doing any baby hairs on this at all. It's looking so good. So you see how nice that graduation is super realistic. So I only did the sideburns here. So this is how it's looking before, you know, this is how it's looking before like I wet it with water or anything. Remember, it's 13 by 6 parting, so I'm just gonna go a little deeper with the parting. I'm gonna make it a little bit more precise.
This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, oh, oh. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You'll find.
So now that you guys seen it with the volume, let's, you know, get it wet, give it that nice juicy curly look, and the hair feels really good. Like, it's really nice and soft. And in terms of shedding, I'm not getting a lot. I am getting shedding, be mindful, but it's not like excessive. Okay, so that's good. So I'm giving it the wet look, but not, all right, I'm not gonna make it like super flat or, you know, that super laid flat look. No, I'm not gonna give it that look today. And it's just water that's in this bottle, so it will get back that nice fluffed look but defined. So that's how we're going to leave that. Nothing me love more on a wig than a really nice thin, you know, realistic looking lace. And it's even better when it comes pre-bleach and pre-pluck. It saves so much time. Like, I just went on vacation the other day and I wore a similar lace to this. I wore a Swiss lace and it was just like amazing. It's really stress-free because guess what, I didn't have to retouch the lace not once, and I had that wig on for a total of 7 days, a whole week. I did 4 layers of glue. I didn't have to retouch the glue or anything. I didn't have to put any extra got to be on the lace. So I can tell you for sure, I've experienced it. I've been working with multiple lace wigs for years now, and I can tell you a really awesome lace when I see one. This is one of them. And if you're looking for that type of quality, the link is down below in my description box. Go ahead and check it out, click it, and it will take you directly to this wig that I'm wearing today. MsCici here, them go on with himself on a wig. It come right out. It's gorgeous, and it's summertime friendly. Like, it is perfect for the heat, and it's vacation appropriate as well, because the curls, you know, low maintenance, and you don't have to worry about restraightening or recurling and stuff. It's just some water and you're good to go. So, like, yeah, and this is no baby hairs. No, you don't have to feel pressured into doing no baby hairs nor nothing. You know, every once in a while I like to remind you guys that you don't need baby hairs to finesse a good looking wig install. You know, you can install your wig like a pro and look really clean and effortless and timeless. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's wig install. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I am so happy that you guys have stuck around to the end. If it was informative, go ahead and give this video a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. That's where I have all my lit lifestyle content, and I'm very consistent both over here and over there, so you don't want to miss out. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
The magic is